Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss the part 51 of the NEET quiz important questions, and today we'll discuss the questions of the topic pancreas. So first try to answer the questions by yourself. Pancreas is which type of gland? So it is endocrine and the exocrine gland. Pancreas is separated from the stomach by lesser sac. The pancreas forms the stomach bed and is separated by the lesser sac. What is the location of the pancreas? So pancreas lies retroperitoneally except for the tail, means the tail of the pancreas are not retroperitoneal while the head body of the pancreas are retroperitoneal. Pancreas lies in the epigastrium and the left hypochondrium, and it lies in the transpyloric plane at the L1 vertebral level. Neck of the pancreas is lying anterior to which vein? To the portal vein. Which part of pancreas is triangular in cross section? So it is the body of the pancreas. Which part of pancreas lies anterior to the abdominal aorta and the left kidney? So it is the body of the pancreas. Head of the pancreas lies opposite to which vertebra? L1, L2 vertebra. Head and neck of the pancreas anteriorly are demarcated by which artery? By the gastroduodenal artery. Anterior relation of the head of pancreas is transverse colon, coils of the jejunum, and the superior mesenteric artery are the anterior relation of the head of pancreas. What are the posterior relation of the head of pancreas? So these are inferior vena cava, right and left renal vein, right crus of diaphragm, right middle suprarenal artery, and the right gonadal artery are the posterior relation of the head of pancreas. Which structure is lodged between the second part of duodenum and the head of pancreas posteriorly? So these structures are the bile duct. What are the relations of the uncinate process of the pancreas? So these are anteriorly there is superior mesenteric artery, posteriorly there is abdominal aorta, and superiorly there is left renal vein. What are the relations of the neck of pancreas? So anteriorly there is pylorus of the stomach, and posteriorly there is portal vein and the superior mesenteric vein. Which structures are related to the anteroinferior surface of the pancreas? So these are greater sac, duodenojejunal junction, left colic flexure, and the coils of jejunum. What are the posterior relation of the body of pancreas? So these are left crus of diaphragm, left suprarenal gland, abdominal aorta, left ureter, left renal vessels, and the splenic vein. Now structure at the superior border of the pancreas are tuber omentale, hepatic artery, and the splenic artery. The root of transverse mesocolon is attached to which border of the pancreas? So root of transverse mesocolon is attached to the anterior border of the pancreas. Which is the most mobile part of the pancreas? So it is the tail of the pancreas. Tail of pancreas lies opposite to which vertebra? So it lies to opposite of the T12 vertebra. Main pancreatic duct is called as duct of Wirsung. Accessory pancreatic duct is called as duct of Santorini. Herringbone pattern is seen in pancreatic duct. Duct of Santorini receives secretions from uncinate process. What is the arterial supply of the pancreas? So splenic artery, it is the main blood supply over here. Superior pancreatic or duodenal artery, and also inferior pancreatic or duodenal artery is the arterial supply of the pancreas, but the main blood supply over here is the splenic artery. Venous drainage of the pancreas. So it includes superior mesenteric vein, splenic vein, and the portal vein. Accessory pancreatic tissue may be seen in stomach, duodenum, and spleen. Most of the islets of the Langerhans are seen in which part of the pancreas? So in the tail of pancreas. So today up till here, we'll discuss about the further important notes and questions of the further important topics in our next video. Thank you so much.